My name is Toufi Saliba. I've been in crypto and AI pretty much all my professional life since 2001. How many of you believe that the blockchain can be revolutionary? Please raise your hand. How many of you believe that it is already revolutionary? Please raise your hand. Okay, I'm glad that not all of you, because currently the blockchain is not yet revolutionary. It barely got to 0.2% global adoption in the last 10 years. When we look at something that is revolutionary like email versus snail mail, 99.999% less friction, and it's 99.9999% faster, and you can measure it. That is revolutionary. WhatsApp is not revolutionary to SMS, it's just evolutionary. So we truly believe that blockchain can be revolutionary. The ability for each and every Homo sapien to hold the value that you own, and you don't depend on anyone else but yourself because you've worked to own certain value, whether it is money, property, or your health record, or whatever it is of value that needs to be exchanged. In order to get the blockchain to the promised land of true revolutionary technology, we need to address 5 points, and that's my mission, into bringing those 5 points to each and every one of you into your heads. So I've put them in a sequence that I'm hoping that you can remember, and it's SECSI, which spells the word sexy. Each and every one of you would feel like you want to be sexy in the morning, sexy in the evening, but this one is spelled a little bit differently. The first S is for security. In all of them, they're needed, not an option. You can't have the blockchain saying that, you know, I have 3 out of the 5. No, you cannot. In cybersecurity, there's a saying, you're as good as your weakest link. Decentralized governance is just a security model. And the moment you have a weak link, the whole thing will fall apart, like Hyperledger IBM. Bullshit. This is not revolutionary. Any database developer, they tell you they cannot build something that whatever Hyperledger develops or can develop, they probably don't know their databases really well. Blockchain is not about a ledger. The blockchain revolution is the ability for each and every individual to hold their value and be able to transmit it without having to depend on a third party. So the first one is security. The second one is efficiency. The third is confidentiality. Then the fourth comes the scalability. What many people are talking about, like, oh yeah, you know, we're working on scalability of blockchain, and we're able to get this much scalability, millions of transactions per second, but then they hide centralization somewhere. They will not make it. The fifth one, once you have all of those 4, is interoperability. The moment we have those 5 elements introduced to each and every Homo sapien, they become like instructions, like language. Nobody can stop the language. If you educate a crowd of people like yourselves, a certain language that says that, you know, all of you are going to teach you like Korean or Hebrew, be able to talk to each other. No one can take that away from you. That is the power of decentralization. And that's what we're doing, that's our mission. We're giving to each and every Homo sapien the ability in 20 seconds to get it going. To measure sexy, you need to look at countries like Zimbabwe or countries like Madagascar. Can this system run in Madagascar without having any signal going outside of Madagascar? What do they have in Madagascar? Smartphones, network, and people. That's it. They don't have servers, they don't have cloud, they don't have databases, none of that. Something that's truly decentralized can run on only those 3 things. So that's our mission with Toda, and we're here to present to you that we're able to add phenomenal elements to each and every Homo sapien, which is greed, fear, need, and altruism. And some people, they have love. I'm hoping everybody. Those elements, they will drive you in the morning. Without them, you won't be able to get crowd around you to deliver on anything that you're working towards. And with that, we're able to partner with about 20 companies. The first one that grew 10 times in size in the last year is called Toda.Network Financial. They're basically building more like a bank of the future where each and every one can become a bank. And that company is providing a challenge here. There's another company that is just onboarding, it's called Mimic, which provides distributed computing, you can monetize it. Both of them, they have challenges. The first one is Toda.Network that I would like to present you with Hassan Khan, the CEO of Toda.Network Financial. Thank you.